Would you like your partner to go camping with you more often? But you find it a little bit difficult to convince her that it's really lots and lots of fun. Well, she probably agrees with you that it's lots and lots of fun, but she's missing one particular thing that she needs and you probably don't, or need it less. And that is, she likes to keep clean. Fit a shower to your vehicle. It's complicated. It is not complicated. The EGON Water Hub allows you to add a hot water supply, a cold water supply, and it is literally paint by numbers. Plug and play. Perfectly temperature controlled water straight to your shower. No fuss and no wastage. That was one of the challenges in the design, was that how can we make this, because it's for overland vehicles and for caravans, where you don't have lots and lots of water that you can just waste waiting for it to get to temperature. It solves all of the plumbing installation challenges in a trailer, 4x4 or caravan. It could not be simpler.